today we're going to answer some common questions about VA loans. Here we go. Question 1. What are the perks of a VA loan? For qualified borrowers, VA loans don't require a down payment or private mortgage insurance. VA loans also come with low interest rates and reduced closing costs. Question 2. Who's eligible for a VA loan? You may qualify for a VA loan if you meet at least one of the following. Brace yourself, it's a list. You served 90 consecutive days of active service during wartime. You served 181 days of active service during peacetime. You have 6 years of experience in the National Guard or Reserves. You served 90 cumulative days in the National Guard if 30 of them were consecutive. You have a service-related disability, or you are the spouse of a service member who died in the line of duty. Question 3. What type of home can you buy with a VA loan? The property you purchase with your VA loan must be your primary residence. Other than that, your options are pretty similar to anyone else looking for a home. Qualifying VA borrowers could buy a single-family home, a condo, or even a townhome, just as long as the home meets the VA minimum property requirements. Have more questions about how a VA loan could work for you? Contact a Movement Loan Officer today.